विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. गोंय आनी महाराष्ट्रांतल्या मिनाच्या ट्रकवाल्यां मदीं बरेंच पेटलां. बुधवारा दोगांनी न्हयबाग पेडण्यां एकामेकांचे ट्रक आडायले. दोनी वटयां ट्रकांच्यो लायनी लागिल्ल्यो. पेडण्याचे ट्रकवाले निमणे पणजे येरादारी खात्या मेरेन पावले. कळणे मायनीवेलो म्हाल उखलपा वेल्यान दोनी वटयां ट्रकवाल्यां मदीं पेटलां. येरादारी उपसंचालकान तांकां हातूंत लक्ष घालपाचें उतर दिलां.
मायणीसून रेडी पर्यंत व्हरपाक आमचे पेडणे तालुक्यांतले गाडये घेयना. त्यांचे गाडये एमटी गाडी आमच्या पेडण्यांच्यान खाली जावन कळण्या वयतात आणि आमकां दुर्लो खावयतात. आमची रिक्वेस्ट आहा, आमचे पेडण्यांचे गाडये 100 आहात ते घेयात. त्यांच्या 900 चलतात, आमचे 100 गाडये घेयात. आता जवळजवळ म्हयनोभर आमी आंदोलन करतात. आमी त्यांचे एमटी गाडी हाडयता, रिटर्न धाडटा. काल पर्यंत आमी त्यांच्या रेवेच्या गाडयांक खडयेच्या गाडयांक कांयच त्रास करूंक नासले. काल त्यांच्यानी आमचे खडयेचे रेवेचे गाडये मुद्दम त्या लोकांनी व्हरून काट्यार घातले आणि आमच्या लोकांक जवळजवळ 14,000 10,000 अशी चलन बरयली आणि फायन फारीक करिलो. फायन फारीक केल्या उपरांत तांकां सांगलें तुमकां गाडी व्हरोंक मेळची ना, तशेंच थंय दवरले. आणि हेका लागून कालच्यान आमकां चिऱ्याचे गाडये, रेवेचे गाडये, खडयेचे गाडये सगळे आडावचे लागले.
डायरेक्टरा कडेन व्हरता आनी थंय कितें तो तोडगो काडया, कित्याक आमी फायनल ऑथॉरिटी न्हू हांगा तोडगो काडपाक.
तांचो प्रॉब्लेम कितें आसा सर?
तेंचो प्रॉब्लेम ते तेंच्यो गाडयो घेवंक जाय न्हू चलोवपाक. तो आतां ताका डायरेक्टरा कडेन व्हरता आनी मागीर तोडगो काडया.
महाराष्ट्राचे कोण येऊन आमच्याकडे सध्या आमच्या गोंयचे प्रॉब्लेम झाला. गोंयचे गाडी महाराष्ट्रात घेना म्हणून ते आयले आमच्याकडे. त्यांच्या गाडी त्यांनी हाडून आमी तांकां जशी ट्रीटमेंट ही दिता पळय तशें तांकां हांगा हे दिवंक सोदता.
सर त्यांच्या आरटीओ कडेन तुमी तुमचे डिस्कशन
संपर्क करतले आमी मागीर जावन परत लॉ अँड ऑर्डर तशें हातीन घेना करून डायरेक्ट तोडगो काडपाक
ना फक्त कितें जाला डिझलचे बॅरलांनी वयता एमटी ते बंद केला सध्या.
ते सिव्हिल सप्लाय हें करया, कंप्लेन करा.
बरें,
सिव्हिल सप्लाय कंप्लेन करून ते सोनाले कशें वता तेंकां बंद करपाक. आतां त्यो गाडयो आयल्यो भितर जाल्यार टेम्पररी परमिटाचेर येता न्हू त्यो. तांकां मुद्दाम हाडून ते डिझल भरूंक येता म्हणून बंद करूं नाका.
सर पण त्यांच्या इथे आणायला सर गाडी आणून त्यांनी सकाळी अख्खो दीस सांची गाडी दवरली.
खासदार फ्रांसीस सार्दिनाचो पूत शालोम आपल्याक कुडतरेची काँग्रेस तिकेट मेळटलीच म्हणून आसा. कितलेशाच पार्टींनी ताका तिकेटी विशीं विचारलां, पूण आपूण काँग्रेसीच्या तिकेटीक रावला, नाजाल्यार अपक्ष म्हणून लढटलो अशें तो म्हणटा. लोकसभेच्या वेंचणुकेंत कुडतरेचो आमदार आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड सार्दिनाक वुडोवंक वावुरला म्हणपाचें शालोमान उलोवन दाखयलें.
I feel the Congress should give me the ticket because I have been working with the Congress for the last 12 years. I am a secretary of the Congress. I am a loyal soldier of the Congress, and that is the main reason why I am asking them for the ticket. Now, what they do is up to them, and I am waiting for them to decide because Rahul Gandhi has said that the Congress will not tolerate corruption. And if Congress does not tolerate corruption, I know for a fact I have got the ticket because I'm clean, I'm educated, I have a conscientious heart, and I have got a beautiful mind.
The Save Goa candidate who has joined the Congress, you say that you got some evidence to prove that he has worked against Congress MP during last MP election.
Yes, everybody knows that he has worked against us in the last MP election. There is no news, there is nothing new in it. You can just go, you can find out. We have complained to the High Command, we have told the Low Command, we have told everybody. Everybody in the Congress circle knows and is aware of the fact that Reginald had not worked for my father during the last MP elections.
If the Congress is not giving you ticket in your constituency, what will be your decision?
Well, if is a very funny word in the English dictionary. If I was a multi-billionaire, if I was born a woman, if is a lot of things. I cannot give you an answer of if right now, but at an appropriate step will be taken at an appropriate time. Now, whatever steps have to be taken, they will be taken after consultation with a couple of my friends, a couple of my Politburo members, and a couple of other members. So we will see. Maybe I will contest, maybe I will not. I in fact had a couple of offers from other parties. Many parties have approached me and they've asked me if I'm interested in contesting on their banners. I have made it very categorical and very clear to them that I will contest on the Congress if I have been given the opportunity. Otherwise, I may go independent. Nothing, I don't want to join any other party because I strongly believe in the ideologies of the Congress. Problem is, there is a big difference, there is a slip between the cup and the lip with ideologies and the theories. That's all. Why I want to get into politics is very straight. Today there has been mass looting. It's not corruption, it's mass looting in this state. And I'm being so open to say that if I do win, and in the next 5 years, if a person finds and can even prove that I have taken 1 square inch, not a square meter, even 1 square inch of land, feel free to complain, and I will not contest the next elections. And not only that much, you can come in public and you can slap me, because I am getting into politics only to clean the system, to give good governance, and if I can, reduce unemployment through good educational schemes and very good health.
आता घेऊया आणखी एक व्यावसायिक विसव.